Welcome to our channel, your go-to destination for skincare tips and beauty advice. In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 common habits that can age your skin faster and how to avoid them. From sun exposure to lifestyle choices, we'll explore each factor's impact on your skin and provide practical tips to keep your complexion youthful and radiant. If you're ready to unlock the secrets to healthier, more vibrant skin, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Maintaining youthful, vibrant skin is a goal for many, but certain habits can accelerate the aging process. By understanding and addressing these habits, you can cultivate a skincare routine that promotes long-term skin health and radiance. Number 1. Sun exposure without protection. Sun exposure is perhaps the most significant contributor to premature skin aging. Ultraviolet UV rays from the sun penetrate the skin, breaking down collagen and elastin fibers, which are essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. To protect your skin, it's crucial to wear sunscreen with a minimum SPF of 30 daily, even on cloudy days. Additionally, seek shade during peak sunlight hours and wear protective clothing, such as wide-brimmed hats and sunglasses. Number 2. Smoking. Smoking is notorious for its detrimental effects on skin health. The habit diminishes blood flow to the skin, resulting in a dull, sallow complexion. Furthermore, smoking accelerates the breakdown of collagen and elastin, leading to premature wrinkles and sagging. Quitting smoking is paramount for preserving skin youthfulness and overall well-being. Enlist support from healthcare professionals or smoking cessation programs to kick the habit for good. Number 3. Poor diet. Consuming a diet abundant in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats spells trouble for skin health. Such dietary habits fuel inflammation and oxidative stress, wreaking havoc on skin cells and hastening the aging process. On the flip side, embracing a diet teeming with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains delivers vital nutrients and antioxidants crucial for supporting skin vitality. By infusing your meals with a spectrum of colorful, nutrient-dense foods, you provide your skin with the nourishment it craves from within. This dietary shift not only fortifies your skin's defenses against damage, but also helps maintain a luminous, youthful glow that radiates from the inside out. Number 4. Dehydration. Dehydrated skin appears dry, wrinkled, and lackluster. Adequate hydration is vital for maintaining skin elasticity and suppleness. Ensure you drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Additionally, incorporate hydrating skincare products such as moisturizers and serums into your daily routine to lock in moisture and support skin barrier function. Number 5. Lack of sleep. Skimping on sleep not only affects your energy levels, but also impacts skin health. During sleep, the body undergoes repair and regeneration processes, crucial for maintaining skin integrity. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to the formation of wrinkles, puffiness, and dark circles under the eyes. Prioritize quality sleep by establishing a relaxing bedtime routine and aiming for 7-8 hours of sleep each night. Number 6. Stress. Stress takes a toll on both mental well-being and skin health. Heightened stress levels trigger the release of cortisol, a hormone that can break down collagen and elastin, leading to premature aging. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or gentle yoga. Finding healthy outlets for stress can significantly improve skin health and overall quality of life. Number 7. Excessive alcohol consumption. Indulging in the occasional glass of wine can certainly be a pleasant way to unwind, but excessive alcohol intake can take a toll on your skin's well-being. Alcohol is notorious for its dehydrating effects, sapping moisture from the skin and leaving it parched, lackluster, and more susceptible to the formation of wrinkles. Furthermore, alcohol can worsen skin conditions like rosacea, triggering increased redness, inflammation, and discomfort. To safeguard your skin's health, it's crucial to practice moderation when it comes to alcohol consumption. Opting for water or hydrating beverages alongside alcoholic drinks can help offset some of the dehydration caused by alcohol. Additionally, maintaining a consistent skincare routine that includes moisturizing products can aid in replenishing lost moisture and restoring skin vitality. By being mindful of your alcohol intake and prioritizing hydration, you can mitigate the detrimental effects of excessive alcohol consumption on your skin, ensuring it remains radiant, resilient, and healthy in the long run. Number 8. Repetitive facial expressions. Over time, Habitual facial expressions like squinting or frowning can lead to the development of dynamic wrinkles. These repetitive movements strain the delicate skin, causing it to crease and fold more easily. To mitigate the risk of wrinkles, adopting mindfulness towards your facial expressions is key. Consistently remind yourself to relax facial muscles consciously throughout the day, especially during times of stress or concentration. Additionally, incorporating facial exercises and massage techniques into your skincare routine can work wonders. These practices not only alleviate tension, but also promote blood circulation and enhance skin elasticity, ultimately reducing the likelihood of wrinkle formation. By nurturing a mindful approach to your facial movements and actively engaging in techniques that relax and rejuvenate facial muscles, you can help maintain smoother, more youthful-looking skin for years to come. Number 9. Sleeping position. The position in which you sleep can impact the formation of wrinkles on your face. Sleeping on your side or stomach can create creases and lines, particularly around the eyes and mouth. Opting to sleep on your back can help prevent the development of sleep-related wrinkles. Additionally, using a satin or silk pillowcase reduces friction on the skin, minimizing the risk of sleep-induced creases. Number 10. Not washing your face before bed. Neglecting to cleanse your face before hitting the pillow is a recipe for skin woes. Throughout the day, dirt, oil, and makeup accumulate on your skin, clogging pores and setting the stage for breakouts and various other skin issues. To combat this, establishing a solid nighttime skincare routine is crucial. Start by selecting a gentle cleanser tailored to your skin type. This will effectively rid your skin of impurities without stripping away its natural moisture. Cleansing before bed not only removes surface grime, but also preps your skin for overnight repair and rejuvenation. Once your skin is clean, don't forget to hydrate. Moisturizing is essential for replenishing lost moisture and keeping your skin nourished while you sleep. Opt for a moisturizer that suits your skin's needs, whether it's lightweight for oily skin or rich and creamy for dry skin. By committing to a consistent nighttime skincare regimen that includes thorough cleansing and moisturizing, you'll set the stage for healthier, clearer, and more radiant skin in the long run. By avoiding these common habits that accelerate skin aging and adopting a proactive approach to skincare, you can maintain a youthful, radiant complexion for years to come. Consistency is key, so commit to healthy lifestyle choices and skincare practices to support your skin's natural beauty and resilience. Remember, investing in your skin today will pay dividends in the future, ensuring that you age gracefully and confidently. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful in maintaining youthful, healthy skin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare advice and beauty content. Remember, by making small changes to your habits and skincare routine, you can defy aging and embrace a complexion that radiates confidence. Until next time, take care and stay beautiful.